The giant panda is drinking. Yan, wow! He's gonna go down na. Look, the panda is eating bamboo. Kaso nakatalikod eh. Hi, Kung Fu Panda. He's eating bamboo. Ay, dami yung kinakaing bamboo. Panda, baba ka naman. Done eating. Come on, get down, get down. Get down, get down, get down. Come here, come here, come here, come here. He's gonna come down na. He's gonna come down. Yay! Answered prayer tayo. Panda! So cute! Cute ba yan? Cute siya. Wow, Caleb! Daniel, look! So cute! Turn, turn, turn. He's rolling. When he's rolling, the people... There! Good job! Good job! Good job, Panda. Did you see that, Caleb and Daniel? I think it's Ate Dana's favorite. I know it's an elephant. Another one here is eating the bamboo. It's another panda. Look at that. Nag-iit naman siya ng bamboo. I'm here at Macau Giant Panda Pavilion. Here at Taipa area. Sa other side. Wow. Hello. I saw a real giant panda. Yay, worth it yung pagpunta dito. Malayo siya sa accommodation ko pero ito yung talaga gusto kong makita eh. Yay! He loves bamboo. Kala, what is he eating? Bamboo. Let's check the other one.
Hello, Panda.
Hello, Panda. There. By the way, they are inside this pavilion. That's why it's called Macau Panda Giant Pavilion. Kasi nasa loob sila ng pavilion. Nandun sa loob, tapos meron din ditong ibang nasa labas. So, let's check more pandas. Oh, ito, kanina pa siya kumakain. Kanina pa siya kumakain ng panda. Oy. He's eating a lot. It's a giant panda. I'm sure Caleb will love this. Itong pavilion na ito, it's for free and it's open from 6 a.m. Sabi, 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. Pero sa website, yung encounter sa panda until 5:45 lang daw. So, malalaman natin mamaya. Kahit mag-stay ako dito ng maraming oras, okay lang kasi napapalibutan siya ng mountains and marami pang mga animals na pwedeng puntahan. So, this is also a mini zoo. May mga ibang animals din nandito. It's a park and a zoo. Giant pavilion. Giant panda pavilion. Lakas kumain ni Panda. Ano kayang name niya? Tingnan natin kung anong name niya. So, the name of this panda is Kang Kang. Born on June 26, 2016. And ano ibig sabihin nung ano na to? Nung sign na yan. So, yan siya. Hi, Kang Kang! That's Kang Kang. Okay. Tingnan natin yung ibang panda kung gising na. This is another one. Cute. panda is Kai Kai. Born on, mas baby to. Uy, medyo ka-birthday ko August 24, 2008. Ayan. So, hi Kai Kai. Siya yung kaninang cute na gumugulong-gulong. Hi Kai Kai. Pasok tayo ulit sa pavilion. Tingnan natin kung ano. Ay, nako, tulog na tulog tong isa. Hindi siya nag-wake up. Ano kaya pangalan niya? So, the name of this panda is Zin Zin. Mas matanda to. July 5, 2007. Kanina pa siya tulog. Siya gumigising. This other panda is Dian Dian. Siya yung pinakamatanda. June 26, 2016. Eh, kasi edad din nung isa ni... Ay, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya. Yung unang-unang panda, yung mahilig kumain. Kaedad niya to. Okay, so ito naman, naglalakad lang siya lagi. Left to right, left to right. Ba't kaya hindi sila magkakasama, no? Okay. So, this is the pavilion. When you come to Macau, don't miss this opportunity to visit this Macau Giant Panda Pavilion. It's so beautiful. Pwede kayong mag-stay dito for a day or kahit mga siguro 2 to 3 hours. Mag-park kayo, maglaro yung mga bata. Kasi may doon playground. And tumingin lang ng mga animals kasi merong mini zoo. And ito, enjoy nyo lang yung mga pandas. Bye, thank you for watching. God bless you all.